In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you will be doing well. Let us discuss irregular forms of verbs. Part 1, J, and their use in sentences. Number 1 word is awake. Second form, awoke. Third, awoken. Fourth, awaking. Sentences. I awake early in the morning. He awakes hearing the sounds of birds. Awoke, second form. They awoke when somebody called from outside. Awoken, third form. They have awoken after a good sleep. Awaking, fourth form. The sound of machinery was frequently awaking them. She has been awaking earlier these days. Number 2. Wake. Second form, woke. Third, woken. Fourth, waking. Sentences. I wake up when the alarm goes off. He wakes up when I call him. Woke, second form. We all woke up and started our journey. Woken, third form. We were woken up by the noise of traffic. The noise of traffic has woken them up. Waking, fourth form. They started waking up their friends one by one. They have been waking them up every day. Number 3. Sleep. Second form, slept. Third, slept. Fourth, sleeping. Sentences. I sleep at least 6 hours daily. He sleeps more than everybody else in his house. Slept, second form. I slept late last night, so I got up late. Slept, third form. He has slept enough after the tiring journey. Sleeping, fourth form. He was sleeping when we called him. I have been sleeping more these days because of the cold weather. Number 4. Grow. Second form, grew. Third, grown. Fourth, growing. Sentences. Children grow fast if they eat good food and play well. They grow vegetables in the backyard of their house. They use better farming methods to grow their production. Grew, second form. He grew stronger after taking exercise regularly. Grown, third form. They have grown up in a very conducive environment. Growing, fourth form. They are growing various types of vegetables in their fields. We have been growing many plants in our garden. Number 5. Hide. Second form, hid. Third, hidden. Fourth, hiding. Sentences. People hide their mistakes from others. He hides nothing from his friends. Hid, second form. He hid the news of his failure because he felt ashamed. Hidden, third form. She has hidden her phone from the children. Hiding, fourth form. The robbers have been hiding from the police, but they will surely be caught very soon. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.